Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unarchive a chat in WhatsApp. Whether you've accidentally archived a conversation or just want to bring it back to your main chat list, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once the app is open, navigate to your chat list. If you have a lot of chats, scroll all the way to the top of the list. At the very top, you'll see an option labeled Archived. Tap on it to access all your archived chats. Now that you're in the archive section, locate the specific chat you want to unarchive. To do this, long press on the chat. This action will highlight the conversation and reveal additional options at the top of your screen. Next, look for the unarchive icon at the top. It's represented by a box with an arrow pointing upward. Tap on this icon, and just like that, the chat will be moved back to your main chat list. And there you have it. Your unarchived conversation is now easily accessible alongside your other chats. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your inbox organized while still being able to retrieve important conversations when needed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance managing their WhatsApp chats. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.